guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. I'm loving filming in this area, so I might film from here from now on. It just gives the best light from outside, just coming in this little den area. Made this day little area. This should have been my filming room, but I'm just joking. It's my kiddos and they love it, so I love it, okay? But I like to record here because it gives the best natural light throughout the whole house. Besides Grace's room. Grace's room has great natural light. I'm like so jealous. My room doesn't give that much great light, but that's where my desk and everything is, the cutesy wootsy stuff, but whatever. Got my little thing for my kitchen table back there, you know, give a little decor, you feel me? Okay, so today's video is Bath and Body Works haul. Yeah, and if you guys haven't seen my last Bath and Body Works haul, go check it out. All the new that's about to drop at the end of August. I got it. Yep, I got it. I wanted it all, y'all, so I got it all, okay? So definitely make sure to check that out. I got it all. Pink velvet cupcake. Your girl already got it. I seen it. I was like, I want it. I got it, okay? So I was able to get all that. So definitely check out that video. But today's video is a haul of soaps that I got during the soap deal when they were doing soaps 6 for $18. And each additional soap you got, of course, you got it for the discount price, plus some 10 off 30 items at the outlet mall. So let's just get into it. From soap day, and guys, again, if you go in stores, go through Ibotta. I have people asking me, how do you use Ibotta in stores? First off, your store has to have good internet connection, because if you can't connect to the internet, of course you can't check out with Ibotta. But basically, you download the app. I'll leave the information below. You open your app. Once you open your app, go and type in Bath and Body Works. You'll go to where you can get the gift card. You press the gift card button. You press the Bath and Body Works button. After you do that, when you're at the checkout, they tell you your total. Let's say they say your total is $30.52. You type in $30.52. Press the last four of your card, because of course you put a card on file, a credit card or a debit card, and then you press that. Then it uploads and it makes it into a digital gift card. You pay at the register with the digital gift card, and boom, you get cash back. So yeah, I be getting cash money. So definitely make sure you check it out. But let's get started with all these soaps, y'all. I got a lot. So the first one is Pumpkin Apple. Sean said he loves Pumpkin Apple because he was giving these soaps some harsh reviews. I was like, oh, don't say nothing about my Pumpkin Apple, but he did. So Pumpkin Apple, he loved this one. It's Red Delicious Apples, Fall Pumpkin, and Clove Buds. Not a big clove person, but this smells good. This is fall. This is fall in a bottle, so I really do like this one. The next one I got is Coconut Pumpkin Latte. Love me some pumpkin nut. Okay. Coconut Pumpkin Latte. I love it. It's not as strong as last year, but it's still really, really good. It's coconut cream with pumpkin and warm praline. Again, with the praline. I just love things with praline in them. I don't know why, but I do. So I got that. A champagne toast, because the packaging is super cute. Bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine. Look at the packaging. Come through packaging. I love this packaging. It is really, really cute. The next item is another Coconut Pumpkin Latte, because I love Coconut Pumpkin Latte. And then the next one is one of the news, which is Moonlight Orchid. Looks just like that black matte packaging, super cute. That doesn't go with anything in my house. Like, I have nothing matte black in my house, period. Everything is like this oranges type color and the light wood colors and stuff like that. I don't know where this gonna go, but we gonna use it. I just love the packaging. It is just super cute. The next one I got will go with my house, so I got two of them. If I can get them out the bag. Is White Jasmine, y'all. Okay, looks just like that. Joanna has hooked me on to the White Jasmine kick, and girl, I love it. I am loving White Jasmine. Look at the packaging of this. This is super cute. This goes with my house right now, and I wish I would have got more just for the packaging. Plus, I love the smell of White Jasmine. And these are the White Barn ones. White Barn is always so fancy looking, ain't it? It's always so fancy. The next one is another White Barn. This is Cotton and Fresa. Y'all, this caught me off guard. I didn't know I was gonna like it, but I do. It's soft cotton, jasmine, and fresh woods. It is bomb. When I tell you bomb, this is amazing. I love this hand soap. So I picked that up, and I know you're like, girl, you did a lot of hand soaps about 3 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. I understand, but you know, when they got a soap deal, you gotta take advantage of it. Plus, I didn't pay for any of those soaps. Okay, I used my Ibotta, cashed out from my Ibotta, because I had, what did I have? I had $50 in my Ibotta. I cashed out $35. I went and got the soaps, got myself my nail fix, and I got me a Smoothie King smoothie. Okay, yeah, all through my Ibotta Cashback. I told you I was gonna take those 2 wallflowers back that I had too many of the pumpkin apples. So I just took them back and got 2 more pumpkin pie, because I'm gonna put it in my duo. So I have a pumpkin pie going in the duo, and then 1 other one. That way it'll give a nice scent. So I got 2 of those. I have, let me see, ooh, 2 of the hand creams. And y'all, hand creams is $5 now. They lost their mind. These should go down. I got these actually during the deal when they were doing these for $2.95. So I got them for $2.95. But before, they were doing like $175 or $195 or something like that. So Bath and Body Works, we see these price increases. But this is champagne apple and honey. Sean put me onto this last year when he said this is nothing like the body care, and I got it last year and it was bomb. So I went ahead and got another one this year. I like last year's packaging better. And Crisp Morning Air. Something about Crisp Morning Air, y'all. I'm starting to really get into the line of Crisp Morning Air. It smells so good. So I had to get it in the hand cream. And the last thing in this bag, is it the last thing? Yes, the last thing in this bag is rainbow juice. This is rainbow juice, y'all. It smells so good. It reminds me of raspberry sorbet. I think that's what this is, and they just repackaged it rainbow juice to sell it to kids going back to school. I don't know, but it smells so good. I really do love rainbow juice, so I might go back and get more. And I have an update for you guys on my pumpkin patch candle holder. If you watch my review on Cider Lane and Gooey Marshmallow, no, not Gooey Marshmallow, Gooey Caramel, you will know that I did get a replacement holder in the mail, and it is 100% intact. So yes, they did send a replacement, and she is safe and sound, and it has a cute little candle already in it, which is pumpkin peanut brittle, which I absolutely love. Y'all know that's my all-time fave. So that's in the brand new holder now. Let's get into this baggie. This is just things I got at the outlet this week. The first thing is the Aromatherapy Eucalyptus Essential Oil Aromatherapy. Y'all, I got this for the winter. This is going to be my jam for the winter. This is when it's really cold outside. You take your shower, you're getting out the shower, you're staying in for the day, you want to be cozy. This is what you put on. This is invigorating, clears the mind, promotes relaxation, encourages deep breathing. And it was 75% off. So I got it for $3.70. No, not, it was $3.57 or something. I don't know. But it was 75% off. Love the glass bottles. Love the glass bottles. I could have got more, but I think one will be plenty. I think getting more than one is too much because my collection already runneth over. Okay. The next item, I had to get a backup of these. So this is going to actually go in my bathroom. The Cocoa Shea Cucumber Seriously Soft Body Lotion. I had to get a backup of these, and it's been in the outlet forever, and I just never paid attention to it until I ran out of the cucumber body oil. And then I was like, oh my god, I need another, and this is all they had. And I was like, ooh, this works good. When I tell you it's seriously soft and it gets into your skin, bruh, it gets into your skin and it feels so good and so soft. So every time I go to the outlet, I am going to pick one up, because for $3, I mean, you can't have too many. And after you open it, it's good for 12 months. So I'm going to use the one I already have, and then I'm gonna have this one as a backup, and I'm going to get at least 1 to 2 more before the end of the year to put up for next year. I did get 2 of these bad boys for my co-workers' daughters, because I have way too many pocket bags, so I'm going to be giving them pocket bags. So I figured make sure they have a pocket bag holder, and these pocket bag holders were 75% off. Look at these. They're little sloths. Oh, this is so cute. So I bought 2 of them. They were like $1 and some change each because they were 75% off of $5.75. So I'm gonna put some pocket bags and give it to them so they have them for the school year. I was thinking about getting one for Grace because this is Grace's first year at school. She's going into pre-K, but Grace don't know what to do with a pocket bag yet, so it's not time for her yet. So these were just so cute, and I think her daughter will love them. Well, her daughters, they're going to love it. And the last item, I had to get another one. Even though I got one for free, I had to get another one. This is Pumpkin Everything. It's the antibacterial foaming mousse hand sanitizer and pumpkin cupcake. Looks just like this. I hope they're trying to show us that this is going to be pumpkin cupcakes packaging for next year so it can come out in body care. Bath and Body Works, if you are listening, I need this. I need this in body care in this packaging because this packaging is everything. It's that rose gold, it's life, and pumpkin cupcake just smells like life anyway. So Bath and Body Works, this needs to be pumpkin cupcakes packaging for next year. Come out with the whole body care line. Promise you, people will buy it. It will sell out. It will sell out. That's it, guys. That's everything I got from Bath and Body Works. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I have some people saying, oh, you do a lot of Bath and Body Works. If you guys haven't noticed, this is mainly a Bath and Body Works channel, and I sprinkle in different things, but this is mainly a Bath and Body Works channel, and I review Bath and Body Works. Mainly I haul and take y'all to the store because that's my favorite part, going to the store, because seeing everybody in the store and happy and just smiling and like, oh, looking at this, looking at that, that puts me in a really, really good mood. So I just love that store. It's my happy place. It's the place I like to go. Some people like to go to expensive clothing stores, expensive bag stores and all that. No, take me to Bath and Body Works and say, here's $40. I'm like, thank you. And I leave out with the biggest smile on my face. So this channel is mainly Bath and Body Works, sprinkled in with a few other things like makeup. Also fashion is going to be coming because, you know, I'm about to start these fashion videos for y'all. So I've got fashion videos coming when I go on leave. I have to wait till I go on leave because then I have more time. But that's when I'll start doing fashion videos and doing like outfits of the week, everything I wore that week, because I want to start doing that. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. If you love Bath and Body Works, comment below your most favorite thing out of the whole haul, because I got the whole haul just sitting back here. Let me know your most favorite thing out the whole haul. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.